Welcome, everyone. Take a deep breath and listen carefully. Today is not just another English lesson. Today is not just another motivational video. Today is the day you finally understand why speaking English feels so difficult and exactly how to change it. For years, many learners have studied grammar. They've memorized vocabulary. They've watched thousands of English videos. They've listened silently. They've read books. They've downloaded apps. But when it's finally time to speak, their voice disappears. Their confidence collapses. Their brain goes blank. Maybe this has happened to you too. You know the words. You understand English. You can read it. You can even write it. But speaking feels impossible. And because of that, you started believing something painful. You might have told yourself, English is not for me. Maybe I'm too late. Maybe I'm not talented. But listen carefully, that is not the truth. The truth is much simpler. Nobody taught you how to train your mouth to speak English naturally. That is the missing piece. And today, we're going to fix it together. This video will teach you how to train your mouth, tongue, lips, rhythm, confidence, speaking flow, brain, and emotions while you speak. Because real fluency is not only knowledge. Real fluency is physical. Real fluency is emotional. Real fluency is daily training. So stay with me till the end, because this video may completely change the way you practice English forever. And one day, you may look back at this moment and say, this was the day I finally started speaking. In today's video, we're not just going to talk about English. We're going to transform the way you speak it. We're going to fix something no one ever told you about. By the end of this video, I promise you'll look at yourself in the mirror and say, yes, now I can speak. I finally understand how to train my mouth to talk. So listen till the very end. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. This video may become the most important turning point in your English journey. Let me ask you something simple. How many videos have you watched about English? How many grammar rules have you memorized? How many hours have you listened to English passively? But when it's time to speak, your lips freeze, your tongue shakes, your voice disappears, your brain goes blank. Not because you're stupid, not because your English is bad, but because your mouth is untrained. You're not moving your mouth like an English speaker. You're reading, watching, listening, but you're not training your speaking muscles. That's why nothing changes. That's why you stay stuck. That's why your confidence dies the moment you open your mouth. English is not just in your head. It's in your lips, tongue, jaw, and sound flow. And until you train those, you'll always feel like something is missing. But today, that ends. Think of English like fitness. Imagine you read 100 books about push-ups. You understand the form. You know the technique. You can explain it to others. But you've never actually done a single push-up. What happens when you finally try? You collapse. Because your muscles are weak. That's exactly what happens with English speaking. You know the words, but your mouth hasn't been trained to move fast, smooth, and confidently. Your tongue, lips, and jaw are lazy. They're used to your native language. They don't know how to handle English speed, stress, and sound patterns. And when your mouth is untrained, no matter how many lessons you watch, no matter how many books you read, you will always freeze when it's time to speak. That's why you say, I understand everything, but I can't speak. Because you're missing the one thing nobody talks about. Speaking is not only mental, it's also muscular. Here's my bold promise. If you do what I'm about to show you for just 5 minutes a day, every single day for the next 30 days, your English will sound completely different. Not just in your mind, but in your mouth, your confidence, your conversations, your career, and your life. Your goal is not to become fluent overnight. Your goal is to build tiny, repeatable habits that rewire your mouth, reshape your sounds, and reprogram your speech patterns. You don't need 5 hours. You need 5 minutes of focused physical repetition, just like brushing your teeth. Reading is knowledge. Speaking is movement. And movement requires muscle memory. Now, let's go into the exact 5-step training system, step by step. Step 1, mouth warm-up, 5 to 7 minutes. Like in the gym, your mouth needs a warm-up. You've spent most of the day in your native language rhythm. Now you need to shift your lips, tongue, jaw, and breath into English mode. Do simple mouth exercises. Lip rolls, tongue stretches, jaw loosening, smile stretches. This loosens tension, activates unused muscles, and makes your English sound smoother and more natural. A warm mouth is a ready mouth. Step 2, the mirror technique, 8 to 10 minutes. Your mirror is your coach. Stand in front of it. Choose one simple sentence. I am learning to speak confidently. This is my voice. I own it. English is becoming my second language. Say it slowly 5 times. Each time, slightly faster. Watch your mouth. Feel the sound. This builds awareness, kills fear of judgment, and makes you feel powerful, not awkward. You can't build confidence if you never face yourself. Step 3, shadow speaking, 10 to 12 minutes. This is where real fluency training happens. Shadow speaking means you listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it aloud, matching the speed, tone, rhythm, and emotion. You're not changing the sentence. You're not speaking slowly. You're copying like a baby. Here, copy, repeat, repeat, repeat. This trains your brain, ears, and mouth together. Step 4, fluency loops, 10 to 12 minutes.
Take a simple sentence like,
I'm going to improve my English. Say it.
slow,
Normal.
fast.
Repeat this loop several times. Do this with 5 to 10 sentences every day. This builds comfort with speed, stops overthinking, and makes you feel fluent, even if your vocabulary is small. Most learners skip this and stay stuck.
Not you.
You now have your daily English gym in your own room. You don't need a partner. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need your voice, your focus, and 5 minutes of real practice. Step 5, speak like a native. Sound clusters and flow, 7 to 10 minutes. Most people don't sound fluent, even when their grammar is perfect, because they speak like robots. Native speakers speak in clusters, not separate words. Examples. What are you doing? What you doing? Did you eat? Did you eat? I don't know, I don't know. Practice speaking in smooth units. Blend words together. Use rhythm. Record yourself. Listen back. English is not a language of silence. It's a language of flowing sound. You can't have a confident mouth if your brain is full of fear. Your brain thinks, what if I sound stupid? What if I'm wrong? What if they laugh? So train your brain and mouth together. Speak with emotion, like an actor. Say the same sentence with
excitement,
anger, happiness, nervousness. When you act, fear disappears. You become expressive. Stop translating every word. Train your brain to connect English directly to meaning, emotion, and images. Use your whole body.
Stand.
Move your hands. Use facial expressions. Action builds confidence. Repetition is not mindless. Real repetition builds mouth memory, reaction speed, sound muscle, confidence under pressure. Use this 5-stage loop. Slow clarity, natural flow, emotion repetition, pressure repetition, faster, still clear. Real-world use. Use the sentence in real situations. Powerful sentences to repeat daily. I'm proud of how far I've come. This is just the beginning. I will speak fluently no matter what. It's okay to sound wrong. English is not my weakness. It's my future. Repetition is the bridge between silence and fluency. You are not bad at English. You're just not practicing the right way, consistently. You don't need another video. You don't need another tip. You need repetition. You need rhythm. You need real training. Millions of people understand English perfectly, but they can't speak.
Why?
Because they consume English, but they don't practice it. They learn passively, not actively. But you can change that. You can start today. You can practice just one sentence. You can train your mouth. You can build fluency brick by brick. Fluency is not talent. It's training. It's consistency. It's courage. It's repetition. One day people will say, your English is so fluent. But they won't see the mirror practice, the recordings, the thousands of repetitions. Only you will. And you'll know the truth. You earned it. You created it. So here's your choice now. You can go back to watching forever without speaking, or you can stand up and say, I will no longer be silent. I will no longer fear mistakes. I will train my mouth every day. I will speak English no matter what. This language is yours. This dream is yours. If this message helped you, share it with someone who's still afraid to speak. And subscribe to this channel, because this is where you'll find the tools, the practice, and the support to finally become the confident English speaker you were meant to be. Fluency is not built by watching silently. It's built by speaking daily, making mistakes, and refusing to give up. Don't let fear control your voice. Don't let doubt steal your fluency. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be real, consistent, brave, and loud. This is your voice now.
This is your language now. This is your time now.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still afraid to speak. And always remember, your English will change the moment you stop being afraid to speak. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.